Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear display on TikTok Live. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok apps. Okay, and after this, in here, if you wanna clear display on your TikTok Live, so you just click on the live first like this, and then in here you can swap to left like this and finish. In here, as you can see, you cannot see the comments or anything else. So that's how to clear display on TikTok Live. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.